In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your business record status for 2026 and reapply or reactivate an Australian business number through the official registry website. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to abr.gov.au. This is the official Australian Business Register website, so it's the right place to confirm the current status of a business record. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site before continuing. Using the official website helps protect your information and ensures that any changes you make are properly recorded. Next, sign in using your secure MyGovID verification details to access the business registry interface. As you log in, follow the prompts carefully and complete any identity checks that appear on screen. This secure sign-in process is important because it confirms that you're authorized to view and manage the business record. If the system takes a moment to load, just wait for the registry dashboard to fully appear before moving on. Once you're inside the registry interface, look for the business entry that shows your older ABN details. You'll want to find the row that is marked as expired or canceled. Take your time here, especially if you manage more than one record, so you make changes to the correct entry. Checking the status label carefully can help you avoid updating the wrong business number. After you've located that record, open the utility tools or options menu associated with that business entry and choose the option to reapply or reactivate the Australian business number. This is the action that starts the renewal process, so make sure you select the reactivation option tied to the expired or canceled record rather than creating an unrelated new entry. From there, review the business details the system presents, confirm that your current operational address is accurate and up to date. Then check your listed industry activities or business tasks and update them if needed so the record reflects what the business is currently doing. Keeping this information accurate is important because it helps ensure the registration matches your present operations. When everything looks correct, submit the renewal request. Before you finalize it, it's a good idea to quickly review the details one last time for accuracy. After submission, watch for any confirmation message or reference notice on screen so you know the request has been successfully lodged. That's the full process for checking your 2026 business record status and reapplying or reactivating your ABN through the official registry.